Once again, this is Ejai Crypto. Now we are talking about rice farming. This is the season, and here in the southeast Imo State, Nigeria, we have kickstarted rice transplanting. We actually did the nursery last month, and we have started transplanting. And the way we work our rice here in Imo State is different from every other state. Yes, this is African Cup rice project, and this is exactly how we farm our own rice. Now we partition it in on beds. We made beds and put the rice that we have nursed. So looking at it, you can see how we have partitioned it. We did this in order to make sure that we can control each bed. Yeah, know when disease attacks it, and we can actually control the weed. Some persons must ask that we are actually wasting the land. No, we are not. We're actually wasting it, but we want to take care of this rice very, very much and know what each bed yields. Now, if you look at it, we had in each bed 4 rows. That is exactly what we did. 4 rows. That we actually put one seedling of rice in each hole. That is exactly what we did. You can see where we started. You can see. So these furrows are the walkway by which we can now tackle the weed, because weed happens to be one of the greatest challenge in rice farming. So that is exactly what we want to end weed, by making sure that we tackle each bed and notice when it's having disease like rice blast, so that we can actually fumigate it, adding fungicide and insecticide. So by so doing, we can actually go around all the rice bed by doing this. But if we cast the rice using every means, finishing, or it will be very, very difficult for us to walk inside the rice to notice the challenges the rice is having. So that is exactly, and mind you, this is an Upland variety of rice. It is not a swampy type. We have rains now. We will have rain up to October. So this is a 90 days variety of rice. So you can see this exactly. You can try this. This is a very nice method of rice farming. So you can see how it is being done. So that is exactly what we've done. You can see. So that is it. That is rice farming in Imo State, Nigeria. So you can see the beds are well partitioned so that we can freely walk and check what is actually happening. So our main target is to plant 1 million seed. 1 million seed. That is exactly what we want to achieve by planting 1 million seed. That's why we put them one seedling to check if we can actually get our target by planting 1 million seed. Our target is 1 million seed, and we will achieve it. We have planted lots and lots of this. We partition them in beds, so you can try this in your area. This is another method of rice farming, so that you can freely walk in the rice farm with ease, without any challenge. By the time this rice start growing, then you will understand what I mean. So this is a well-defined way that African Corp have started or kickstarted its pilot farm. This is our method, and this is exactly what we will be using in all our farms. This is the method that we'll be using. We will target how many millions of seed we want to plant in different locations. Then we'll do the nursery, then put them in beds like this, and put one single seedling per hole, until we achieve our aim. By so doing, we can now actually tell that this is exactly what we have been able to achieve. If you have watched my previous videos, you will understand that one particular seed, one seed actually gave us 1,300 seedling at the end of the day. I planted one seed, and that one seed actually gave us 1,300 seedling. So we did the mathematics and find out that each rice seedling, depending on the moisture content and the variety of the seed, we should be having 0.002 gram per weight. That means if we now plant 1 million, or that is, we planted one seed and we got 1,300 seed. Now we now sat down and said, if we can plant 1 million seed, how many are we going to get? That means we are going to get 1.3 billion seeds or paddy of rice. So that is our calculation, and that is exactly what we are working on, to make sure that we know how many seeds we planted and what we actually came out with. So per hole, we have one seed per hole, one rice seedling per hole. Just as you can see this one, you can see it's one seedling per hole, and we are using space of 20 centimeter away from each other. So that is exactly what we are actually doing. So you can look up there, you can see men at work. You can see them, men at work, say putting the rice. Yes. So that is exactly what, in this particular farm, our aim is to achieve 1 million seeds. So if you can practice this, bring out time and calculate how many seedlings that you want to plant, and that should be giving you, in terms of kg, what you should be coming out at the end of the day. So you need to do the mathematics, understand the mathematics, and the mathematics will actually help you. And if you use this method that we are actually using now, putting them, setting them up in a particular bed, setting them up in bed, in different bed, so that you can walk around the rice, check the problems they are having. So that is exactly what AfriSynCorp, the method AfriSynCorp have actually adopted in our rice farm. So that is exactly what we are doing. You can see. Thank you very much. I would like to see you in the other side. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you find this video so helpful and so nice, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Thank you. See you in another wonderful video when this rice gets to 1 month after transplanting. We're gonna get another video. See you.